Welcome to your Cottage Bloom Party Hero Kit. In this video, we'll show you how to create a beautiful balloon garland step by step for a clean and polished result. You can pause the video anytime if needed. First, inflate all balloons to the specified sizes, making sure they are round, not pear-shaped. If a balloon looks too long, gently release a bit of air until it becomes perfectly round, then tie a secure knot. You can pause the video here before moving on to the next step. Next, tie the 12-inch and 10-inch balloons in pairs by knotting their ends together. Then twist 2 pairs together to create clusters of 4 or 6. You can pause the video here before moving on to the next step. Then tie the 5-inch balloons in pairs by knotting their ends together. Twist 2 pairs from the same color to create clusters of 4. Join 2 clusters using an uninflated 260 balloon. You can pause the video here before moving on to the next step. Now start building your garland. Thread one end of a balloon cluster through the larger hole in the garland strip, then pull it into the smaller hole to lock it in place. Continue adding clusters, alternating colors along the strip. You can pause the video here before moving on to the next step. You can hang your garland using hooks, place it on a stand, turn it into a balloon arch, or style it in any way that works best for your setup. To finish, add your 5-inch clusters by wrapping a 260 balloon around them to secure them to the garland. Then attach your honeycomb tissue garlands and paper banner. And that's it. Your balloon garland is ready for your celebration.